My name is nas1 and the topic I'm going to present is about the average construction cost in Somaliland. Since I'm going to say something about the average construction cost in Somaliland, it will be necessary to present some of the past history of Somaliland buildings. The earliest signs of Somaliland construction can be traced to 10th century, where primarily all and poor styles of the building techniques were used to build houses, which was almost impossible to protect from the harsh, dry climates that Somaliland regions were known to face some of the different seasons that can be found in the year. In addition to that, the people were mostly at risk from the attacks of big wild animals that could simply penetrate and crash their houses to harm the people and their livestock. The establishment of a British colony in the Somaliland territory had contributed to a great extent to the development of the economy, knowledge and skills of Somalilanders. One of the most significant experiences that the colony had come up with in this period of Somaliland rule was the innovation of a high-quality techniques and skills of a building construction. After the colony had settled down in the country permanently, they considered it necessary to have office buildings and a base of operation where they could control the coordination works and day-to-day activities. At the same time, they needed to have dormitory buildings which their families and officers could reside. That is how the big residential buildings, that's how residential British design buildings, which most of Somaliland cities are familiar with, come into existence. And also as a result, many people have benefited from the construction of their buildings after they had the opportunity to be employed as apprentices to later become an experienced foreman. So, if I come to different methods that Somaliland people construct their buildings, which are two main methods. The first method, which is buildings which construction companies implement. A foundation of a well-built construction business industry had established in Somaliland. A young qualified engineers from the abroad and in the country had come up with the idea of establishing a construction and contracting companies which provide a complete range of a construction and a program management service in all the segments of residential and business buildings. This has inspired the people of Somaliland to have the courage to invest their money to their country and give to their trust in the dealing with the construction companies. This has resulted from the professional capabilities and the quality and the acceptable service the companies have shown. The construction companies had implemented major construction projects that could not be feasible before. They have earned the confidence of their clients through successful completion of a project. Each project, large or small scale, is handled with the same level of management and expertise with the project manager. They have utilized their skills to provide creative and functional design by using specialist craftsman techniques and modern practices. Let me come to the second method, which Somalilanders build their houses or their buildings. The other method, which the clients of the building industry in Somaliland construct their buildings, is through hiring a foreman, which are experienced craftsmen. Those have been in the field of construction for a long time. A foreman usually executes a small-scale project that don't need a major expertise of engineering. Finally, if I come to heart of my topic, which is the average building construction cost in Somaliland.